What is up, you guys? It's Kristen Hancher back at it again with another YouTube video. I'm looking a little different than I normally am because I don't have my hair extensions in, and it's because I'm going to attempt to cut my own bangs. I've never cut my own hair before. I'm about to watch a how to cut your bangs tutorial on YouTube like right now. And yeah, I'm just going to wing it, I guess. So I angled you guys a bit differently because there's like a huge ass mirror here. And I'm not even using proper scissors. These are the only scissors I have. So, I mean, I feel like I'm setting myself up for failure, but you know, we're just gonna try it anyways. I don't even know what I'm doing. I'm just gonna stop acting like I know. Is this right? Does this look right? That looks a bit better, right? All I know is you have to like part it and then cut it. All right, dope. So I'm gonna make these my bangs. Ah! I'm back. Oh, okay, I don't like this. Guys, what am I doing? Tell me. I need to stop doubting myself. Just cut. I'm excited, I'm scared. There's so many emotions going through my brain right now. I'm just gonna cut the middle because the middle has to be the shortest, right? Okay, we're just gonna.
I don't know what I'm doing, but I'm just gonna cut and cut.
That's not right. Am I regretting this? Possibly. I'm gonna take this and go whoa, whoa. I feel like I'm doing everything wrong in all the right ways.
Hey! Come look at my bangs!
Oh my god, you're so beautiful, Russian.
I'm not Russian!
You look such like a Russian girl. Oh my god, I'm gonna fucking love this.
Oh my god, I can't. You didn't even come down and look.
I'm looking at you right now.
Come closer. Aren't I a good hairstylist?
You are gonna be a hot Russian model.
I'm not Russian!
I don't know how short I should go. I just feel like rude. This needs to go. Should I keep cutting? I should keep cutting. This is my life now. I don't know, I feel like I want to leave it like this, but it's gonna bug me because it's gonna be my eyes. You know what? We'll just cut more. Yeah, that's what's gonna happen. I like this technique. I think we're good. I mean, I feel like if I wear it like this though, it's gonna like get in my eyes and shit. I know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna stop while I'm ahead after this one last piece. I don't know if I should just keep cutting. This piece needs to go. We just need to cut a little bit more. All right, I need to stop cutting before it gets way too short. So you know what? Scissors, it's time for us to depart. I think I'm done cutting. I think it turned out really, really cute, but I'm gonna style it and come right back. Okay guys, this is the final look. What do you guys think? I'm digging it, I'm happy. I did not think this was going to turn out well whatsoever, but you know what? This was a good surprise. This is something I definitely have to get used to. I'm not really used to the hair in front of my face, and I don't know how to style bangs just yet, as you could tell, but that will come in time. I just feel like all the hairstyles I do now are just gonna look so much better because I have bangs. I don't know, I guess we'll find out. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Please comment below and let me know what you guys think of my new look, and if you guys like it, make sure to leave a like under this video. And if you're not subscribed yet, please do and join the family. I'm trying to upload 2 times a week, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you guys so much for coming along with me in this crazy journey, and yeah, I'll see you guys next video. Bye. I just looked in the mirror and I realized I had hair all over my face during my outro. Great.